So as you have seen, you can still trade on the jump index. Hello, welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to trade on Deriv without experience. So this is a Deriv new account. I just noticed that they changed the website again, and here I'll be showing you how you can trade still using this new website if you create a new account. So I have just created this account and I deposited around $5 so that I test it out. So if you do not have an account, create using the link in the comment section. If you need to deposit your money, you can just tap here and then you'll be able to deposit. If you need to verify your account, you just scroll down, you see your email here, you just tap on it and then you upload the documents. So to deposit here, you just tap here and then you will see a lot of options that you need to choose from when you deposit money. So here mostly I'll be choosing this, and as you can see the minimum is 5, so I just proceed to choose, and then you see here we have all this. So here I can choose to deposit $5, and then after depositing $5 they will reflect on my account. After depositing here, your money will reflect, and if I want to move the money, I can just tap on the transfer so that it comes on the option. Remember that you should be on the home, so if you are not here, just tap here and then you should be seeing all this. So to transfer, I just need to tap on this and then I select the amount that I need to transfer. So I can just use 25% or any amount that I need. So I'll be just transferring some peanuts here so that we try to trade and see what we'll get out of the market, and then we'll start trading right away. So here I have the money on the options. I have just transferred, and then I'll be trading on the jump index. So I just move to the jump index so that we see how can you trade without an experience and make money. So here I just proceed to trade, and then we will be seeing how you can trade here. So this is the market. So what you do with this jump index is that these markets move on the same direction. After moving for a long time on one direction, it will just start reversing. As you can see here, you just wait for it to move a little bit up and then you move down with it because it will be going down. So here you just press buy and then you set the ticks to 3. So you can just set the ticks to 3, and then after that just wait for it to go up a little bit and then go with a down trend. So let us wait, and then we just go with a down trend. So as you have seen, we won that contract. You just do it that way, and then I'll proceed to show you how I trade. So let us proceed. So here I just resetted my balance to 1.4 so that I can show you how you can do it. I just choose the market again that I was trading. So I just proceed to choose jump index 75 because that is the best market here. So I'll just trade. What you need to do, watch what I am doing. another. So let us proceed to see another one. Okay, so if it happens to change, I just change to fall with it. So it entered the light, but still I'm on the safe side. So as you can see, we have reached $4, and let us try to find another contract. So here I just wait for it. So it seems to go down. So let us see. So guys, as you have seen, you can still trade on the jump index and make money without experience. So here you just need to look where the market is going and then go in that direction. So I just go here so that we see the balance, and then I can still withdraw if I want to. As I said, if you do not have an account, just check the comment section and create using that link. After that, if you get stuck, just ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching.